Rolling over. Why can the lack of rolling over or the inability to roll over be a warning sign? Rolling over is a really tricky milestone because parents want to see their baby have an action. Now that action could be literally falling off of a pillow or that one time falling out of position. Yay, my baby rolled over today. The quality of movement needed in rolling over when your baby is really just rolling and rolling is completely different than falling out of position or only being able to do it with one side or only doing it with the back arching or falling out of it because their head's coming back. And these warning signs, first of all, can mean that there isn't a good established tummy time, or it could also mean that your baby is having some sort of developmental delays or something happened during the process of birth. But horizontal locomotion is really important because we learn our horizons first, then we start transferring into vertical positioning. First we'll position into vertical, almost like an X and Y axis, and then we can go in and out of that. You have to establish this with this to get all your further ones. So if you don't have the good horizontal milestones, you're not going to have that good vertical. That's where people go, oh, my baby kind of sits up, or they're in a boppy, or I don't have the head control. Well, you didn't have it in rolling over. Well, yeah, they rolled over. They rolled over like 3 times last week. No, they should be rolling over quite constantly, that they see something and they just respond to going to get it versus it being the effort. This, come on, come on, come on, you can do it, is not rolling over. And you're seeing the external actions, but you're not seeing the lack of internal movements. To learn more about this, tomorrow is my free webinar. Remember, we're doing the milestone months. We're into the 3rd months. We've covered tummy time, good tummy time, and the warning signs. We've covered looking at you and the warning signs when your baby doesn't respond to you. And now we've covered rolling over, and we're going into rolling over the warning signs. So you'll get videos and everything like that to go with it with me. Just go over to the link that I have in here or sign up on the Movement Lesson Academy on the webinars. And again, it'll be back played for those of you that miss it. And this is part of the 12 months of milestones. And next month, we're going into grabbing your feet. So please join me and learn more about it.